here's part 2 of fidget trading. So I right now am so this is what I've so far collected. I've collected this orange squish, this pink squish, and I traded this with him for the capybara squish.
And this one. Which
was also one of my favorites. And then we traded this little squish, Diamond Nito, for this cat squish. So far, that's what we traded. This is part 2 because we wanted to show you guys, like, we're going to trade one more round. This is our last round of trading because we wanted to trade 3 times just to not waste all of our fidgets. Now, he wants my green dolphin. Guys, I'm just going to tell you guys this right now. I'm obsessed with these. So this is sad, but he also, what did you want to trade this for?
Kind of like...
I would probably trade for this plus something else.
No, because that one's like my favorite.
This one.
Maybe I could like trade.
I'll trade you this one for 3 squishies because this is my.
Maybe
Here.
I can.
How about I make an offer for you?
How about
Isaac, stop. I'm gonna make an offer. I'm gonna give you this. No, this is. I'm gonna give you this. Plus this green one. And that's it. And what are you offering to trade for?
For all those?
Because
I get you the...
I'm not offering to
I
trade.
know what... Like... What the heck was that? I get you this one. The capybara.
That is not enough for those 2
No,
squishies.
I'm trying to get like you more. Maybe like we can trade not the dolphin, like maybe like
I would do a little squishy,
like a wooden one, like
but not one of those air ones.
this one. This one's a needle. That one's a needle. It's not so much like a needle, but it's like a needle. But it's one of the minis.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't trade this one.
What about if I get you like some more of that? Like some more, like I get you this one for that one, and this one, and maybe like a Spanky Bats one, or do you want to add?
This is literally so hard because we both don't really like trading our fidgets. But I will show you guys what we traded. We traded this Cappy for. I got the Cappy back, guys. My BFF. I got her back and I gave him like I think an octopus squishy plus like 2 mochi.